guys, let's talk about the benefits of liver right now. All right, instead of being freaked out by the whole ketona scare, and yes, I'm calling it ketona, we want our multivitamin to come from real food. Liver is the best high quality real food because unlike salmon roe, people have more of a histamine intolerant reaction to seafood. The liver, people have a better reaction in terms of histamine response. So liver has, as you know, vitamin C, it's got zinc and copper. It has the fat soluble vitamins of D, E, A, and K. It's got B12, iron, and the full B complex. There are so many things powerful with this lovely, especially with vitamin A, which is retinol, and K2 to help heal the body. And I want to show you how to make liver pills. Yeah, it's not that hard, guys. I suggest this is about 1 ounce. No, it's 1.5 ounces. Yeah, and it's about 1 ounce. This is about the serving size that you would need to take as a multivitamin daily to protect your immune system during the ketona virus, where they say take a lot of vitamin C and zinc. And zinc without copper is toxic, so we just get the balance right here. So let's get this started right now. So what I'm going to do is put this camera down, and I'm going to start cutting up this liver into little strips. Now the point is to make liver pills so we can freeze them and swallow them whole. So you really want to start cutting your meat small enough and small enough chunks. So this is about the size that you want. Now when it comes to the amount of liver, you can take a whole liver if you have 1 pound of liver or more and cut it up. Now since I'm just showing you guys how to make liver pills, then you just see the serving size and you just cut in these small little pieces. Now the point at the end is to take them onto a baking sheet, which I don't have right now because I got to get out to my little boy Thunder, and line them up like you're baking cookies on a cookie sheet. But instead of going into the oven, it's going to go into the freezer. Alright guys, so we're going to pretend that this is like a baking sheet, and we're going to just line up these little pieces of liver, just enough to swallow frozen, and we'll just keep lining it up. Alright guys, now it's time to put your raw liver in the freezer from 1 to 2 hours to freeze up. And we're gonna have a fake time lapse and pretend that they're frozen because I gotta go see Thunder. I don't have time to wait. So here we go. We're gonna pretend that this liver is frozen. You're gonna take your glass of water. You're gonna take your little liver pill, put it in your mouth, and swallow it whole. And there is your raw liver pills. This way, you guys who don't like the taste, like, oh my God, I can't. It's an easy way to get your liver in without having to be cooked. Yes, I said not cooked. 1 to 2 ounces a day as your multivitamin, and I'm out. Bam! And I'm not from Canada. Oh yeah! To learn more, go to stephanieketogenic.com. I offer consultations. I have a keto course where I teach you guys how to do the right thing with low carb, high fat, keto omnivore, carnivore, and anything you need to know about the body. Yes. I also have free content on my Instagram, which is stephanieketogenic, and my Facebook, which is Stephanie the Business Person. And I'm out. We got to get healthy through the ketona lockdown. And this is the way through some frozen liver pills. Peace, guys.